most chiropractors focus on the adjustment, right? That's our meat and potatoes. So adjusting the spine. Most chiropractors do, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, pelvis adjusting. But what we do a little bit differently here is that we also adjust extremities. So we do shoulders, we do hip adjustments, we do ankle adjustments, things like that. So for athletes that need to use their hands or their shoulders, these adjustments can really come in handy. So that's one of the things that we do that sets us apart is we do extremity adjusting.